We have a beautiful logarithmic equation on the board. The goal is to find the value of x in 3 raised to the power of log x base 3 raised to the power of 2 plus x raised to the power of log x base 3 equals to 162. If you want to solve this question, we have 3 raised to the power of log x base 3 raised to the power of 2 plus x raised to the power of log x base 3 equals to 162. The first step is that let a equals to log x base 3, right? Set a letter equals to log x base 3. Now, focus on this now. Rewrite log x base 3 equals to a in index form. If you have log y base a equals to z, this can be written as y equals to what? A raised to the power of z. Now, this also, you're going to rewrite this as index form. So, we are going to have x equals to 3 raised to the power of a. Is that not it? That is it. So, please pay attention. We know that a equals to this, and in index form, x equals to 3 raised to the power of a. Now, in this equation, I'm going to replace, anywhere I see log x base 3, I'm going to replace it as a. Are you following? And also, I'm going to replace x as 3 raised to the power of a. So, we are going to have 3 raised to the power of, now, we have log x base 3. Do not forget that a is what? Log x base 3. So, I'm going to have 3 raised to the power of a squared. Because we have log x base 3 squared. So, I'm going to have a squared. Then, we have the addition sign. Now, x, do not forget that x is what? 3a. So, I'm going to have 3a as well. Log x base 3 is what? A. So I'm going to have raised to the power of a. This will be equals to 162. Because you understand how I arrive at this equation. Now, here I'm going to have 3a squared plus 3a squared equals to 162. Factorize. I'm going to have 3a squared 1 plus 1 equals to 162. Is that not it? If you multiply this by 1, you're going to have 3a squared. Also, if you multiply this by 1, you're going to have what? Positive 3a squared. So, here I'm going to have 3a squared equals to 162. Divide by 2. This over 2. 3a squared. Oh, sorry. 3a squared is equals to 81, right? Do not forget that 81 can be written as 3 raised to the power of 4, right? So I'm going to have 3a squared is equals to 3 raised to the power of 4. Now, because the base are the same, we can set the power to be equal. So I'm going to have a squared is equals to 4. To get the value of a, I'm going to take the square root of both sides, right? So a will be equals to plus or minus square root of 4. A is equals to plus or minus 2. So, now do not forget that our goal is to find the value of x, not the value of a. So, and recall that we said let a equals to what? Log x base 3. Do not forget this. Now, when a, we have two values of a. So, we're going to examine both values. When a equals to positive 2, right? We have a is equals to log x base 3. I'm going to have 2 is equals to log x base 3. If you want to get the value of x, x will be equals to 3 raised to the power of 2. 3 raised to the power of 2 is what? 9. So when a equals to 2, the value of x is 9. Are you getting it? So let us get the value of x when a equals to negative 2. I'm going to have negative 2 is equals to log x base 3, right? Yes. So x is equals to 3 raised to the power of negative 2. X is equals to 1 over 3 squared. That is what? 1 over 9. So the values of x that satisfy the equation are x is equals to 9 or 1 over 9. You plug in the value of x as each of these values, you're going to obtain 162 as your answer. So you can see that this approach is very simple. If you have any other approach, you can let me know in the comment section. Also, if you have any question as touching what we discussed in this class, do not hesitate to let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel, okay? See you in the next class.